Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, another green day. It dipped in between. We had an opportunity to buy some dips, but I'm just holding my positions now. Nothing's cheap enough to buy. Nothing's rich enough to sell. Just holding firm my positions, building up cash, working hard to grow the family so I can invest more money in my markets and just simply add. But don't buy or sell anything right now. Just add to my positions. Anyway, let's get straight into it. What a good day it's been so far. Welcome to all our guests over there on TikTok. Welcome to all of you. Welcome around the world. Let me just check at the back of the studio. Since YouTube upgraded a few things, I have to do this little extra bit of work. I have to go over here, and I have to do that, and do that. Don't ask me why. That's just the way things are now. Hopefully things will improve, but that's my little daily routine now. I have to start things manually. Anyway, there you go. Welcome, everybody. Let's get straight into our trades. Looking really, really nice today. Another green day. Overall, the positions are good. If we look at my position here, remember this portfolio started with $5,000 and trade live every day, and here we are. Looks pretty good, right? Looks pretty good. We're pretty happy with that. Okay, let's go through our positions. Now we've got my main position here at 38,000. It's in the green. I'm not beating the S&P at the moment, just behind it. The Roth IRA is also green. I like green, don't you? 54.5. We're heading back to that 58,000, which would be great. Now we've got some dividends coming in, which is going to take me up to the 55.6 quite easily because the dividends are paying out next week. So we're looking forward to that. Now what I do with the dividends, I'll just go into cash and they will earn 4.9% APY. There's a chance, of course, it could even go above that. But I don't think so. We should have a pause, shouldn't we? Shouldn't we get a pause? We should have a vote on it, whether we should get a pause or not, I reckon, shouldn't we? Anyway, Tilray is up. Let's have a look. Let's read your comments. Hey, says Mike. Niels, hello. MSK, Tilray is up. Let's have a quick look at it. How are we doing today? Up, but oh yes, what a jump that is. A 10% jump. Very nice indeed. Very, very good. For those that are in Tilray, you'll be very, very happy. Surprised Mo isn't here. It's a good day for Tilray, of course, but all the markets are going up. I gotta say, I don't have any excitement to buy this anymore right now. It's just basically a brewery company. I know what they're saying is if we get the legislation in time, then it could explode, and that is true. That is true, but will it ever come? How long will it take? I don't know. Nothing's guaranteed, is it? Anyway, I'm surprised that Mo isn't here as well. I'm sure he'd love to be part of it today. Right, let me welcome our guests in from Rumble. Let me quick say hello to you all. How is everybody this afternoon? Lovely. Let me put you on the screen. Let me drop a quick hello in there. Hi all. There you go. If you're on Rumble now, your name will come up on the screen. I've just said hello. So if you say hello, your name will come up there. The HS recommended cannabis to be launched to be a Schedule 3 drug rather than Schedule 1. What exactly does that mean? The HHS recommended cannabis to be a Schedule 3 drug rather than Schedule 1. Give me some more information on that. I'd appreciate that. All right. Let's see who we've got. We've got 24 just starting in there on the main show. Good afternoon to you. All right. You know more about it than me, so let me know what you mean by that. But it's good to see Tilray up. I'm very pleased for those of you that are in it, that are up. I know Mike's still in it. Donald Trump's here. Launches a new diamond-infused pre-rolls and blunts. I've no idea what that is, and we can't confirm that. Donald Trump, of course, is probably not Donald Trump. And we have to say he's not a verified member, so he could be anyone making up any story. That's why we have a membership program. We don't know what that is or confirm that. All right. So just because I read it out doesn't mean to say it's reliable information. But this recommendation has to now to reviewed and approved by the DEA, of course. That's why it's up today, says Donald Trump. I love it. All right. Okay. Schedule 1 is non-addictive. Is non-addictive. Number 2 is it? Hang on. Can you write that again, Mike? Can you write that again? I don't think you got that quite right. Sorry, opposite. Schedule 3 is non-addictive, and Schedule 1 is, I'm assuming. That's what I thought it was going to mean, but I just wanted to double check. Hi, gents, Mount UK. Sorry, the opposite. That's fine. Good afternoon. How are you, Stephen? I've been watching it on the news, making sure you're okay. It's Crag working on my channel. It's Crag working on my channel. Loads of videos to upload. I'm not sure I understand what you mean by that, Donald J. Trump. Anyway. Right, let's carry on. Virgin Galactic is down today, 1.87. Palantir having a very nice run. We're still 1,200 out of the money, but we're doing well, going up. Gold is going up now above that 180. Nvidia is also up today. And Mullen is Mullen, right? Just a scam, just a joke. Hey, Crag, says Niels. Excellent stuff. MSK, I'm ready for round 2. Ding, ding. I'm ready for round 2. Yeah, indeed. And I want to, is Bill, is Shin Dynasty in the house? Is Bill here? Don't see him at the minute. Where is he? Let's have a look. Don't see Bill in the house just yet. No, I don't think so. He was here earlier, but he's not here now. Okay. If we catch him when he comes in, I wanted to talk to him. Anyway, 20 cents more, 63. Selling my MY 1920 and 1,200 shares of Matador. Very nice indeed. Okay, here we go. Schedule 1 is less risky drug, and Schedule 3 is a higher addiction rate. Okay, so now we're going to go back. So the HHS recommended cannabis to be Schedule 3 rather than Schedule 1. That doesn't make any sense. Schedule 1 is less risky than Schedule 3. So they want to make it more addictive. Okay. Oh, there's Bill. Hiya, Bill. I wanted to just chat to you. You were in earlier. What I wanted to say was, Bill, you put in the chat, I know you thought, you do these jokes. You put a joke in saying 7:30 to 8:30 plus 3 to 4 equals 10 hours. And I wanted to address that because I just want to be absolutely clear. And integrity and truth is the center of our show. I say every morning, and I'll say it again now, I go live every day, every trading day, up to 10 hours a day. And I do. There are many of our flights where I start at midnight, run all through the night, all through the day. So I've actually gone live for about 14 hours. There are many earnings reports days when I actually do 11 to 12 hours here in the studio. And every single day, I'm in the studio more than 10 hours. Very often 10 or 11 or 12 hours every single day. So I do go live up to 10 hours a day. So I wanted to make that absolutely clear. I deleted the post because it can be misleading to people. When you're saying things like that, it looks like, it doesn't look very nice. So you said 7:30 to 8:30, 2 to 3 equals 10. I make it quite clear that I'm in the studio every trading day, up to 10 hours a day. And many days when there are earnings and there are flights, I'm actually here even more than 10 hours. But I'm actually in the studio every day, over 10 hours. And so what I'm saying is, that I do have shows up to 10 hours a day. Up to 10 hours, that's what I say every day. I didn't say I'm live every day, 10 hours, even if I am in the studio 11 to 12 hours every day, making those videos. And I want to be absolutely clear about that because it's very important what I say is 100% accurate. And, I know you were having a bit of fun there, but I don't like people reading inaccurate information. All right? Okie dokie. The higher the scheduled number, the less dangerous the drug. The higher the scheduled number, the less dangerous. Sorry, mate. I was just ate an edible. Right. I thought that's what it meant, because if they're passing legislation to try to get it passed, they're obviously going to want to make it less addictive than saying it's more addictive. Okay, that makes sense. The higher the schedule number, the less dangerous the drug is deemed. Okay, that makes sense. Thank you very much. Mike, you're confusing me. What's going on here? Rumble up today. Rumble is going to try something bold in the cloud computing space. Rumble, I can't invest in Rumble. It makes no sense. I cannot buy a business that solely puts its fortunes on whether Donald Trump does well in the election. I'm sorry. For me, that is not a good business move. I just can't see it. If you isolate half the audience, well, only half the audience are going to use your services. That's the first thing. Suddenly you just literally get half the population who don't want to use your services. I don't think that's a good idea. And also, what they say is the creators make money and the views and everything. Well, I don't. You've seen what I do. Anyway, there you go. We will attempt to bring Netflix style pricing model to Rumble Cloud, which could help customers from getting blindsided with ridiculous, unexpected fees. Okay, tell me more. Become verified and send the links in, because I want to verify the information. But the most important fact here is that a Schedule 3 cannabis would now be seen as having medicinal benefits, and cannabis companies can access banking facilities. Aha, I see. Very good. And I comment on your show up to 24 hours a day. There you go. Keaton S has just said, and I comment on the show up to 24 hours a day. That is true. That is true, Keaton S. You do comment on my show up to 24 hours a day. That is correct. Especially when you're commenting to my videos that I put out later on. All right? Oh, yeah. The Safe Banking Act wouldn't be required in this scenario. MSK, thank you very much. There you go. Good bit of information coming in there. Really appreciate that. Hello, everyone. Young and old, thick and thin. Hope you're having a nice day. Mike, no problem. I tell you what, MSK. This information would be very good to make a Tilray video. So, could you send that information in, and I'll make a Tilray video and I'll put it out later. I'm thinking this would be actually quite good as a Tilray video. This is quite an important one. I can't use Donald Trump's comments because we don't know who he is, but let me use MSK's comments. So if you could do that, MSK, I'm just getting all your comments now put into favorite. The higher the scheduled number, the less dangerous the drug is deemed. Okay. Just adding all your comments here to my favorite bin so I can use them in making the video. Okay. Just going to find MSK's first comment. Okay. There we go. I've got that. Okay. There we go. I've got some good information there provided by MSK. Yep. One of our gold badge members, so I can use this information. Safe banking, yeah. Do you know why cannabis is up today? Yes, we do. It works for me, says Bill. Cannabis is because it has hit rock bottom. Anyone know about Diversify Energy? Ex-dividend date tomorrow and dividend yield is 15%. It's pumped the last 2 days. Seemingly people wanted the dividend. I know nothing about that one, Jojo. And it looks like we're going to focus... on Tilray for a moment. General chit chat. Let me have a look. Crag. Hang on a minute. Is this Crag? Hang on a minute. What's going on here? Why aren't you? What? Hang on. I'm confused here. We got Crag. We got Crag and Donald Trump in the chat at the same time. So this is Crag. Is it? I think Donald Trump. It's why it's up to date. Hang on a minute. I'm confused here. I think Donald Trump is Crag. Okay. I think. I'm not really sure. Okay, Crag. That's all confusing. That's why we have badges, right? I don't know what's going on. Old and thick in my case, brother. High times. All right. He hasn't, he said he's got another, oh, I see. I missed that bit. All right. I missed that bit. Bit confused. Right. Our $204 cash giveaway is just a few days away now. We're giving $204 away on the show. There it is on the screen. If you want to enter our free prize draw, there it is. $204 will be paid out live in the show. You don't need to be present to win. We will email you if you win. I will never contact you or sell you anything. It's free to enter. You don't have to be a member. It's completely free. There it is. Our $204 cash giveaway. $204 cash giveaway. Let me give it to you right now. Best ever giveaway. The biggest cash prize we've ever done. Live on the show. There it is. Okie doke. There's the information. Now then, we do have a world premiere. Yes, working on this channel. Okay, now I understand. Now I can use your comments. Oh, flipping heck. You confuse me. You confuse me. Right. Okay, let's do Tilray. Let's do Tilray then. This is important, right? I'm not going to get back in the stock, though. It doesn't make any sense. Just because of a bit of news, it'll dump again. For me, anyway. You might disagree, and that's fine. If you disagree, I don't mind. You don't have to agree with me. But I won't buy it today. Okay, let's go back over to here. And let's do a Tilray video. I also want to bring up a Tilray news. Okay. This is always good. Benziga is always good for me. Okay, I've got that there. Want to bring it into focus. Okay, let's do. Hang on a minute. What's gone on here? What's happened here? Oh, hang on a second. I've got a little issue here. Just bear with me. Just bear with me. There we go. Just a little technical issue there, but I've dealt with it now. Right, okay, Tilray. Let's do that now. So apologize for that. A little bit of a confusion there. 1827. 1827. There we go. 1827. TLRY. It's a shame that Mohammed's missing this, but he's decided, I'm not watching it anymore. That's the thing, you see. Information changes. Does Martin have a bit of... No, I certainly don't have any Tilray FOMO. Can I read your question if I have a second? Yes, of course. T.O. Roll. I understand, so you're included. What do you think about the possibility of all new all-time highs all over the board? What do you think... what do you now think about the possibilities of new all-time highs all over the board? I definitely think that on my portfolio, not all stocks, not on Mullen and other rubbish stocks, but I do think yes, absolutely, because of EVs and because of Tesla, because of solar, because of AI, because of all these innovative stocks, space. And of course, AI is a massive part of the S&P 500, which are the overall markets. It's absolutely possible. It's why I'm in. I haven't sold anything, and I'm also not buying anything. I'm already in. Excuse me. Okay. So yeah, I do believe so. If I didn't, I wouldn't be in the market and I would have sold everything, right? I think I may have scared Mo off. Hi, Mr. Oh, here he is. Hang on a minute. This is not Mo. This is not Mohammed Kahan. We get different ones all the time. Oh, hang on a minute. This is one of the members. I've told you Tilray 24 is going up, and I just disagree on why you sold. Mohammed, we have to be absolutely clear here. Right, Mohammed? I am here to be the most honest person on YouTube TV. I'm here to help people, support people, bring people the facts. Don't pump a stock, don't dump a stock, don't rah-rah it, just report it as it is. Sometimes the news is good, sometimes the news is bad. It's always best to remain involved and part of our show as a member or however you wish to watch, because I'm here to help people, right? And the information now we've just gathered from MSK is good for the stock. So, I don't mind you attacking me. That's fine. I'm here to be attacked. But you were quite rude to me in the comments. However, I did reply to you every single time, which is a shame because you've been such a big supporter of our channel. You've supported it, you've watched it, you've donated to the channel and supported it in every way you can. But, please understand me. I'm not here to upset you. I'm here to bring the news. And the news isn't always good. If the weatherman says we're going to get a hurricane in Florida, that doesn't mean you got to go around and say, I don't like the weatherman anymore. He's reporting the news. And today we have something good to say, and we can say it. And I'm going to make a video on it right now. So let's do it. Okay. I hope we can, always be friends. But I'm not going to say, the other day you said to me that I would give you a tip. $500, no, is it 10 $500 super chats if it reaches $10. And then when I said the news wasn't good, you went, that's it, you're not getting any tips anymore from me. And that's fine. I'm not going to say it's great because you might give me a tip, and I said that in the reply to you. I'm not. However, I respect and appreciate your support, but I'm going to stand by what the facts are. Now, today, the facts are good. So I'm going to make a video on it, not because you said you were going to give me a tip, because the news is good. I hope that makes sense. Yes, Mike and others have repeatedly asked you to be on the show. Call in, be part of it. You can call in. You have the right to call in, and you are a member. You are a gold member, at least you were. And you can call in. So please do call in. Saying to people that you're going to have individual phone calls and FaceTime is a little bit unpleasant. I'm trying to offer you a way to be friendly and supportive to the channel. Anyway, excuse me for sneezing and so on, but I've got to do this video. I sold for the right reasons because I made a profit. It's as simple as that. As simple as that. Oh, there he is. Hey, Mohammed, can you come into Discord and talk to us? What's happening with Tilray? There you go. Jojo would love you to call in. Hey, Tio Roll. Maybe Mohammed thinks the latest news is good. It is good. Yeah, Mohammed, call in. There you go. I want to make 200,000 on Tilray too. Yeah, me too, Jojo. Look at that. Biden will reschedule soon. Also, Germany's around the corner. Tilray is a buy now. Anyway, let me bring the news, the facts from the members who are contributing to the show, and I hope me and Mo can get on good terms again. It'd be much more pleasant. Okay, here we go. Get it. Okay, just dealing with some technical issues here, can't sort out. Right, okay, here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, Tilray Brands. In this video, we're going to cover the latest news on Tilray Brands. Now, where do we see the price going? Often get accused for flip-flopping. Well, the markets flip-flop, news flip-flops, things, situations change. As an investor, I have to make sure I stay on the right side of it. Some news in today changes the landscape. However, doesn't change my my investment strategy on Tilray, but we'll cover that right now. I've got one of my members who sent in some information and verified, and I think you're going to find it very, very interesting. So it's Tilray. What's going on with Tilray? It's popped up today, 10.83. We've seen this before. It often pops up on news and goes straight back down. Remember what happened when it bought the breweries? I took a profit, got criticized for doing it. How could you ever be wrong in taking a profit and then using that profit to buy AI, Tesla, and other things that were down at the time, which have now all gone up even more? It was, of course, the right thing to do. However, let's look at the news from Tilray today. You can see my position, as I always share. Unlike other YouTubers, I will share with you my actual position. I am out of the stock. I have one share in my brokerage, and I have one market share in my Roth. I am out of the stock right now. So what is going on? Should we be back in on the stock? Should I buy it? We'll have a little poll, perhaps. You could have a little vote whether I should buy it or not. This is the information that has just come to me from one of our members. So we're going to bring it to you now. This was provided by MSK, one of our verified members, and we've subsequently verified this information as well. The HHS recommended cannabis to be scheduled for a 3-drug. Now, we're going to explain what that means, but this recommendation has to now be reviewed and approved by the DEA. Remember how long we've been waiting to get all this news approved and the safe banking pass and all the rest of it. And Schedule 1 is illegal in every way, and cannabis, which is of course there, but now we're moving up to Schedule 3. The higher the scheduled number, the less dangerous the drug is deemed. So they are requesting now it gets moved to level 3. That certainly would help, of course. But the most important fact here is that at Schedule 3 or Schedule 3, depending whether you're English or American, cannabis would now be seen as having medicinal benefits, and cannabis companies can access banking facilities. That's what it's all about. The Safe Banking Act wouldn't be required in this scenario. Okay, so that would speed things along. However, that has to be passed. And as we can see, Tilray is just selling a little bit at the moment. I'm not saying jump in. Now, we've got some more details, some more color to that. Tilray shares are trading higher by 16%. They've dropped back from where they were, of course, of 279. We're now at 265 Wednesday afternoon amid strength in the broader cannabis sector. Shares of cannabis stocks are trading higher following a report suggesting the Department of Health and Human Resources, HHS, which is what MSK confirmed, has called for moving marijuana to a lower risk drug category. Just because they've called it does not mean it's going to happen. According to a letter dated August 29th, seen by Bloomberg News, a high-ranking official from the Department of Health and Human Services has written to DEA administrators Ann Milgram, urging the reclassification of marijuana from Schedule 1 to Schedule 3 under the Controlled Substances Act. To have to be clear, this is just a letter, just a request. Of course, everyone's jumping on it now, telling me, buy it, buy it, buy it. No, not necessarily. This stock does pump and dump over and over again. We want to buy it when we know it's going up and staying up. This, unless you want to scalp trade it, of course. But right now, my money is making more money in Tesla and AI and solar and other things like that. This shift reflects a significant change as Schedule 1 substances include highly abused drugs like heroin, for example. The recommendation is informed by an FDA evaluation of marijuana's classification. The Controlled Substances Act categorizes substances based on medical usage, abuse potential, and safety. So, of course, this is good news for the stock. However, it's nothing more than a letter being written asking for the classification to change. Is that a reason to jump in and buy the stock? No, the fundamental hasn't changed. The question is, and what you have to ask yourself, do you still believe that Tilray Brands is a good investment? And before you answer that, are you looking at it as, are you wishing to buy a brewery business? I'm not. I couldn't care less about a brewery business. There are other brewery businesses. I'd rather own Coca-Cola. Now you might say Coca-Cola is not a brewery business. It's in the drinks business, okay? There are other things I could buy. There are DraftKings. There are other things I could buy if I wanted to buy a brewery business. Now, Tilray have always been in the brewery business. They are Tilray brands of things related to their core fundamentals. However, that doesn't interest me. I see better opportunities in the market. The question should be is Tilray Brands the number one in the cannabis sector? Unquestionably, if you look at their balance sheet, if you look at the numbers, unquestionably, they are the number one in that sector. What makes Tilray Brands valuable is getting medicinal cannabis legalized fully in the United States. It's happening around the world, but as one of our members, Mo, just said, in Germany. But the big business is, of course, in the United States, and that can take the stock to $6 short term. And I've done the calculations based upon revenue, not just guessing, and $40. That's what could happen, which would be great. Right. However, that can take a long time. What we've got here today is an intent, a letter being written to the department asking for the classification to be changed, which would speed up. Obviously, what's trying to happen, we're trying to get things to move, and that would be good. Now, the question you have to ask yourself is, do you want to buy it for $264 and your money goes sideways for a year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, forever? No one knows if it's ever going to get classified like that. Or make some money along the way and buy in. Now, you might make some money on Tesla or AI or something else in the meantime, come back, buy it for $5 and then go to 10. Does it matter if you still make 100%? The question is, do you want your money tied up in this now? Do you think it's going to get classified quickly? Do you think it's going to get passed quickly? If it does, of course, then great. Up she goes. But we got to remember, there are other companies, not similar, but similar problems. For example, Mullen makes great promises and never delivers. Lucid makes great promises but never delivers. That doesn't guarantee that this is going to happen. Now, I would rather make 10% than risk and lose 20%. So the choice is yours. What do you think? I'd like you to give me your thoughts and comments below this video. Click above my head for more videos that you might enjoy in the series, and more links to my social media and our cash giveaway. We're giving $204 away next week. It's our biggest ever cash giveaway. Over here, you'll see the Tilray earnings and other information on Tilray, and down here, more information that I think you will find relative to Tilray. As always, until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, I will put that out later as a Tilray video. I will add some B-roll. I will find some information from Tilray. I will get some B-roll and different things to add to that later on. Okay, so anyway, let's come back to the comments. Let's see where we are. I'm all in with this stock, says Mo. Mohammed Kahin, I'm pretty sure you said your average was above 7. Here we go. I'm sorry, average is 7.44, my typing error. Wasn't your average $7? What did he say it was? I missed out on these comments then. 2.44. Yeah, I thought it was $7. Anyway. Thank you. Typing error. Germany is a big market too. It is. Are you still averaging down? No more averaging down. I'm firm at what I have. That's one hell of a strategy, going all in with 744,000 rather you than me, but wish you all the best. Absolutely, we wish everybody the very best indeed. Can you believe I've been watching you as long as I have, and yet I have absolutely no idea what Tilray and Mullen actually are. What do you mean? Tilray brands, cannabis, legalized cannabis, medicinal cannabis, Mullen, electric vans. What is there to know? There you go. You're fully up to speed. Keaton S., you now know exactly what's going on. Well done, holding all the way down. Well done, holding all the way down. Yeah, I would never even, if I was a millionaire, Jojo, no, I certainly wouldn't. I would do that on Coca-Cola. I would do that on Amazon. I would do that on Apple, because they are a sound business, proven business, have cash, have reserves. Yeah, I would do that if I was a millionaire, and that's what you are doing if you're buying the S&P. But to put nearly $750,000 into Tilray brands, hoping they're going to get legalization on one thing and one thing alone. Oh my God. I mean, seriously? I mean, that's, there's nothing guaranteed about it. I want to be absolutely clear. If anyone thinks that safe banking is a done deal and it's a guaranteed thing, isn't, being honest to themselves. That's exactly why I'm curious as to what made Mohammed Kahine take such a huge gamble. Now, let me just say, in Mohammed's defense, he is a gold member of our channel. So he pays $29 a month to be a member. He's a premium member of our channel. So, he's obviously not some kid messing around, because he certainly wouldn't be a gold member. All right. So, anyway, have you ever done man on the street interviews? It'd be fun if you asked people about stocks and the economy. That would be a good idea. Mr. Lucas, I'm not attacking you. I just had a disagreement. You didn't know what reschedule is, and you posted a video that Tilray is not a buy. What reschedule is, I know exactly what reschedule is, and you're posting a video that Tilray is not a buy. Well, I don't think it was a buy. I still don't think it's a buy. For me, it's a matter of opinion. You think it's a buy. I don't think it's a buy for me. Remember, and I want to be absolutely clear, there are millions of things I can invest in. Millions. I'm just trying to choose a handful that I'm interested in, that I can monitor, that I can watch, that I can focus on, and that I think are going to outperform the market. If I thought Tilray was a dead cert, and it was better than Amazon, and it was better than the S&P, and it was better than Tesla, and it was better than solar and AI and stuff like that, Palantir, whatever, I would buy it back. However, I don't have any money available right now. My buying power, as you can see, my buying power right now is $90. That's it. I've got $90. That's all I've got. $90. I haven't got any more money. That's all the money I use to pay the bills. I'm not going to sell Tesla today to buy Tilray. So where does the money come from? Am I going to sell my Amazon shares? Am I going to unbalance my portfolio and sell the S&P? No. If I had another $1,000 that rained out of the sky, if you gave me a super chat, I would spend that money on Tilray. But I haven't got that super chat, and I haven't got that money just floating around in the air. So I can't pull it out the air. Anyway, thank you. Now I know. Now you know, Kean S. 700,000 would be my life goal. Oh my gosh, yeah. Yeah, mine too. Be more than I'd ever need. Mohammed Kahine, you do have a good point there. I was surprised that Mike had no idea about drugs scheduling. Drugs scheduling. I knew that the reschedule to MSK, but I had the two wrong. I had the two wrong when I typed it. I'm not quite sure what Mike's saying there. MSK, Martyn, you have no idea what Schedule 1 and Schedule 3 meant. Haha, don't pretend you knew all along now, cheeky. Now, we're talking about buying. We're talking about, is it a buy or a sell? I'm not sure I understand what you're talking about when you're going Schedule 1 and Schedule 3. Hands up, I don't know what that means. Hands up, I don't know what that means. I don't know everything. I can't possibly know about every fact in the world, about every stock. I don't know what Schedule 1 is and Schedule 3 is. I don't. I have no idea. Perhaps someone could tell me. I was referring to what Mo just said about, I was assuming scheduled to be a buy or a sell. And I was saying it was not a buy for me. And that's a matter of opinion, right? That's personal. And that's my balance of my portfolio. But no, honestly, I've no idea what Schedule 1 and Schedule 3 are. Is that what we're talking about now with classification? If that is, then tell me. But no, I'm not trying to confuse anybody. I'm confusing myself. I don't know what that is either. Haven't got a bloody clue. Maybe you could tell me. In 12 months' time, Mohammed will have 1,500,000 in cash to cash out of Tilray, and the Martyn Lucas Investor will get his huge super chat. Well, no, I won't anymore, Jojo S, because when I made the video saying it wasn't a good buy, Mohammed says, that's it, you're not getting your tip anymore. I went, fair enough then, but I'm not going to make a video because you won't give me a tip. So I'm not going to get a tip now, Jojo S, unfortunately, because I said it wasn't a buy and I sold my position. But, you know, I can't be bought. That's what I'm saying. That sounds like a deal, Jojo. Martyn, you responded to Mohammed saying that you know what's rescheduling, hence my comment. I think there has been a confusion. Yes, I understand what scheduling, whether it's a buy or a sell, but I don't know what scheduling 1 or scheduling 3 means. I've got no idea. I can't be more clear on that. Mr. Lucas, I'll be silent and remind you next year that I was right about the stock. You don't have to be silent. You can be you can call into the show. You can be live on the show. We invite you, and everyone has invited you to be on the show. You don't have to be silent or anything. You can be on the show anytime you want. This is a buy now at the current price. It will not go back to these lows ever. With all the greatest respect in the world, though, Mo, you have said that several times. We've seen it pop up, and it's never going down, and it's gone down. So, just saying. Just saying. Thanks, Jojo. I'll give you a huge super chat then. There you go. Jojo S said he'll give me a super chat instead. Thank you very much. Every time someone says something will never go back to these lows again, it always goes way lower. That's what Keaton S says. Okay, it's okay, Martyn. I'll tip you when Tilray reaches 15, as Mo has claimed. No, he said 10, actually. MSK, 10. He said he would give me 10 500 super chats, which is $5,000, when it got to $10. 10. And then he said, no, I'm not doing it now because you've made a video I don't like. That's what he said. So I could have taken the video down. He even, by the way, folks, to be fully open, and you can see all the comments, you can go and look yourself. He actually told me to remove the video. All right? He actually told me to remove the video. Take it down. And I said, no, I'm not taking my videos down because you won't give me a tip. So as much as I would love a tip. I live on like $10 a day on the show. I mean, I don't make much money, right? I can't take a video down because somebody with a lot more money than me says so, and I will tip you if you do. I can't do that. I will never do that, as much as I won't make a video because someone gives me loads of money. Okay, let's have a look here. Mike. Mike. Mr. Lucas, I will do it at 10. There we go. Mohammed Kahin saying he will do it at 10. Mohammed Kahin has said 10 times 500 super chats at, I tell you what, Mohammed, here's a better idea. That is a wonderful gesture, and I appreciate you saying it again, but you said we're not going to go over that again. If you really believe it is going to $10, 100%, if you give me a small amount of those super chats right now, I will buy Tilray with the super chat right now. So if you are genuinely intending to do that, and you absolutely 100% believe it's going to $10, if you give me a part of that super chat right now, I will spend it right now, and I will buy Tilray right now. Right now. Absolutely. 100%. 100%. I will buy Tilray with that money. So rather than you give it to me when it gets to $10, you would rather me buy the stock. If you're that confident, give me a part of that right now, and I will buy Tilray right now. So that's a better deal if you're actually planning on doing that. Anyway, today Mo has just said it will go to 15 in 2024. If you are 100% sure Tilray is going to 10, you can do it now as well. That's exactly what I'm saying, Niels. I'll give you a super chat if it reaches 200,000 a share. I like it. Mike, I'm with you. Mohammed has always been true to his word. I'm sure he'll tip you as well as the rest of us. Anyway, he has. He just told me to take the video down, that's all. Mohammed Kahan, you can't tell Martyn to take his content down using bribery. No, you can't do that. Put your money where your mouth is, Mo. Half of those 500 super chats up front, also in 25 and 26. Tio Roll. Get the bag, Martyn. Yeah, I can't do that. I have most of my money in the stock. I am down now, so I can't. Makes no sense. I understand if you can't afford it. Absolutely right. At this rate, Martyn will become rich on Tilray without penny invested on Tilray. Yeah. Yeah, best investment ever. Best investment. How to make money on Tilray. Best investment ever. Oh my gosh. And I'd also promised not to sell it as well. I'd also promised not to sell it because there's no point going, well, I'll just sell it straight away. All right. At least 15. At least 15. Mohammed, boo. Be patient, Martyn. Only a year to wait. This amazing content to use. Yeah, Fight Channel's loving this. Fight Channel, you know the Barbie guy? The guy with the Barbie? He's watching all this thinking, I can make some great content out of this. You've no idea. This is gold to me. This is absolute gold. This is gold to me. He's absolutely loving it, thinking this is brilliant. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Long way to go on Tilray. There you go. There you go. I hope to get to $10 to Mohammed times 500. Right, here we go. We got 10 minutes to go. We got to wrap up the show. Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, it's another world premiere. It's a world premiere. As we discussed the other night, when Tom Cruise has a world premiere, the whole world don't watch it. It's him and his mates in a theatre. Same as me. I'm having a world premiere. The world's invited. In fact, hey!
Long ways to go on Tilray.
Yeah, long bloody way. Long bloody way. Thanks, everyone. Just patience. There we go, Mohammed. We're with you, mate. We wish you all the best. Really, we do. Okay. So it's the world premiere in a minute. And also, exciting, if you look here, members only, right? Members only. You might have missed some news about XRP, right, with Sensei. You might have missed some news about Polygon. You might have missed no BTC ETF yet. You might have missed that one as well. Bitcoin pump. You might have missed that as well. But what you haven't missed is in a few minutes, the financial breaking news. And you're going to like this because tonight it's adults. Adult only plain. Gets a little bit sexy. You're going to like it. You all want to watch it now, right? I knew you want to watch it now. Adult only plain. Adult only plain. That's in the breaking news tonight. So we're going to watch it together. And then the news you've all been waiting for. The star guest will be revealed at 5 p.m. Central, 6 p.m. Eastern. All right? Midnight UK time, I think. The guest will be revealed. Who is going to be my guest next week? Live on the show, unedited, as it happens, live on the show. Star guest, live on the show, will be revealed tonight. So make sure that you watch this live. You don't want to miss it. All members, it's your job to be there. Financial news, you don't want to miss it. And in between all of that, you can have all this wonderful fun and all the rest of it. But don't forget the adult plane. The adult plane. All right? There you go. Now you're thinking, I've got to watch. I've got to watch. 1, who's the star guest? Who's coming live on the show? 2, adult only plane. Little bit sexy. Got to watch that. Got to watch that. So there you go. That's it. It's an animal again. Is it an animal again? Is it an animal? Is it an animal? No. I am guessing it's going to be Dolly the sheep, just like Bambi a pit. No. This is a real person phoning in, video phoning, live on the show, calling in, video phone. No, it's not Dolly the sheep like Bambi appeared last time. No, you can't get away with that twice. Can you? Can I get away with that? No, you can't get away with that twice. No, this is a real guest. And if you watch the video, boom, there is the link to it. Information's there. If you can't bother to watch, I can't help you. There ain't nothing I can do about it. Right? That's up to you. Is it Sensei? I'm unsubscribing. Yes, Sensei's gonna call in. Sensei, he is my star guest nearly every day. Don't belittle it. Don't poo-poo it. But no, it's not Sensei. It's not Sensei. Don't worry. I wouldn't subject you to all this craziness. I wouldn't take you down the path and then say, is it Sensei? No, it's not Sensei. You're all right. Don't worry. Life's good. You'll be fine. You'll cope with it. All right? You're going to love it. Anyway, it's Rocket Pocket Man. Who's he when he's at home? If it's Sensei, I'm unsubscribing. I'll not say his name, but has he nicknamed himself Rocket Man? Elton John's not calling in. Elton John's not calling in. He would call in, but he won't because he knows Mike's always watching. When Mike, he says, is that Mike watching me? Yeah, I'm not calling in. I said, Elton, you know, I'm the world piano man. You gave me your jacket. Can't you call into the show? Yeah, but I've heard Mike watches. Mike. I said, yeah, he does watch. I'm not calling in as long as Mike's watching. If you can stop Mike from watching, I'll call in. That's what Elton John told me. Elvis. No, don't get so funny, Mike. It's because of you Elton John won't call in. All right? It's because of you. The Virgin Galactic CEO, Michael Colglazier. That'd be good, wouldn't it? Is it a passenger? No, I'm not going to tell you. You got to watch the video. If you can't be bothered to watch the video, I ain't going to tell you. Right, I ain't going to tell you. You're all just, I don't want to watch the video. Just tell me who it is. No, I refuse, and you can't make me either. There's nothing you can do. It doesn't even matter if you give me a $500 super chat. It ain't going to work, right? Just saying. Just being absolutely clear about that. Palantir, up to date, 5.75. Look how green my portfolio. Here he is. Alex Hunt. This guy does brilliant websites. This guy here, Mike. Sorry, Alex Hunt. Is he bold? Is it Matt Kors? Matt Kors can't come on the show. Is it Jim Morrison? Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. What's that song called? Hey, where do was it? Hey, where do we go? I can't. Why do I not remember the words without my music? When I haven't got my music, I haven't got a clue. Brown-eyed girl. I'm rubbish. Without my music in front of me, I can't remember the words to anything. Rubbish. So I can't do brown-eyed girl. I was going to do it. Give us a clue. No. Not doing it. You're being very, very cheeky, very, very rude, and I'm not doing it. So you can get out of it. I bet it's Rocky the Squirrel with Bullwinkle. Mike, you don't need to do jokes. Elton John's not coming on the show because of you. So no jokes from you. Thank you very much. The Seven Dwarfs. Hi-ho! 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 It's off to work we go, with a shovel and a stick and a shooting stick. Hi-ho! 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 No, he's not coming with all his mates. None of them. Stop messing around. I'm trying to focus here. Doing a professional show. I think your McD shares will bounce and take you back over 40 grand. Hey, I'll do better than that, mate. Oh, don't you worry about that. Look, I'm at 38.6. I'm way past there, mate. Look, there's my balance, 54.5. None of this 38. None of this 38 to 40. No, 54 now. You've not been paying close attention, Alex Hunt. You've been swanning around Cornwall, swanning around the countryside, fully unaware of I'm quietly in the background growing the portfolio. You don't have a clue what's going on here, mate. So there you go. Look at that. We're way up now. We're light years ahead. Right, 3 minutes ago. Dear God, he's lost it now. Yes, and it's because of you. That's your fault, Stephen. Yes. OIC. OIC. Yes, you should. Pay more attention to what's going on. Right. Okay, where am I? We've got to ring the Sensei bell. Hang on. We've got to do some housework. You're being very lazy as you are. You're being very, very lazy as you are. I don't know why I say as you are. Just sounds funny, doesn't it? Right, you ready? Being lazy as you are. Here we go. You know what's coming up now? Here it is. 38 watching. Best YouTube channel in the world. 38 watching. 15 likes. Rubbish. 50% of you I know don't bother. Statistically, I get 99%, 99.5% up likes. It's not because people are down liking. No down likes. It's because people are lazy. People can't be bothered. So stop being lazy. If you like my content, want to see more of it, tap the like button. YouTube will show you more. If you don't like this content and you want YouTube to show you something else, click the down like button. You won't see me anymore. Like that. And he's gone. All right, that'll be it. I'll be gone. You'll never see me again. So it's up to you. Cornwall wins. Wins over what? There we go. 15, 16, 17. Likes are going up now. That's more like it. Right, we got a minute to go. I've got to get out of here. There's things to do. Get rid of you. Get rid of him. Change the timer. Here we go. Ready? Time to ring the bell. 1 minute. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 minute to go. Look at that for timing. Did you see how professional that was? You too can sponsor the bell for 10 bucks. You can sponsor and have your name right there. And you can have a link below the video. So if you want to grow a YouTube channel, you want to get website views, you want to get, I don't know, anything really. Links to anything. Right? 10 bucks, $10 super chat. You can have your space here on the Sensei bell. Sensei don't mind, by the way. He says, I don't care, do what you want. If it makes you 10 bucks, do it. I said, you don't mind? He says, no, I don't mind. I said, but I'm making 10 bucks selling your bell. He said, that's fine. I don't care. If it makes you 10 bucks and helps the channel out, you can do it. Right, I don't mind. I said, all right then, mate, I'll do it. You don't have to ask me twice. Right, here we go. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. I've got ahead of myself there. 3, 2, 1. The bell has now gone. We are in the after hours and we are looking good. We are looking very, very good. Look at this. What's going on? What's going on? We got the world premiere in a couple of minutes. Virgin Galactic going up in the after hours. Palantir. See, I bought Palantir instead. I used my money from Tilray. Palantir. Is that a bad idea? No. It's good. It's a good idea. It's a good idea. Nvidia, not buying that, too expensive. Mullen, rubbish, boo, going up in the after hours. Who cares anymore? Vanguard, S&P up today, just slightly down in the after hours. Amazon going up. Apple is about to hit new all-time highs. I'm up 11.5%. I'm very, very glad to do it. Next Era Energy, we got the dividends next week. Yay, end phase. Sorry, 3 weeks time. The next dividend was last week. End phase, Coca-Cola, J&J, just crumbling off a little bit. Kenvue, up today. We got those dividends paying out next week, and that is correct. They are paying out next week. Tesla, we got Rivian. Very nice indeed. Still think Rivian could go bankrupt, though. McDonald's. At the end of the day, you buy Rivian, right, because you want to be in EVs. Why don't you just buy Tesla? Why risk it? Why, if you're going to buy EVs, why buy Rivian when you can just buy Tesla? See what I mean? Crazy, right? Google is up. Microsoft is up. Walmart is up. Very nice indeed. I've got one little share, and I'd love over here on my Roth IRA. I'm up 8.45. Wish I still owned it. It's a good company to own. Tesco. Oh, look at Tesco. Tesco. Go. Every little helps, right? Yay, end phase. Yay, end phase. Tilray is doing well. Robinhood is going up. IonQ is going up. Rocket Lab is going up. Plug Power is going down. I'm not sure about this one at all. Procter & Gamble. Rumble, not sure about it. Funware. I'm 66% out. I don't have any money in this one. It makes no difference. I don't even know why I talk about it. FFIE. FFIE has improved today, but rubbish. I've lost 64% of my money on FFIE. Makes no sense at all. Rio Tinto, Bitcoin down. Matic down. 2.8 now. That's a bit of a turnaround from yesterday. What a turnaround from yesterday, but never mind. Okay, the overall portfolio is looking good. Yay, end phase. Yeah, you're crying, right? You're crying. Sort of try to come up and back down again. Anyway, it's time to end the show. Time to do Day Trader of the Day. We got our world premiere starting in a few minutes. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. You don't want to miss it, right? Remember what happened last night? But tonight's even better. Tonight is adults only. It's all about the adult plane. You don't want to miss it. It's very, very sexy. Yep, I used a sexy video. Yep, I did it. You're not going to believe it. 11 minutes from now. This is where it's going to happen. This is the one and only screen. This is the screen. This is where it's going to happen. And then right after that, this video will take you to the world premiere, and you will get to find out who my guest is. You will get to find out who my guest is live on the show. Pete Barker's here. He's got a fancy new thingy jig. Remember when I had to talk to you out of it not to buy FFI before the earnings. Yeah, I remember. Martin, are you still in NEE? And do you still think it's a buy at 67? Let me go back to NEE. Yes, I am still in, and yes, it's definitely a buy. I would buy it. I'm 10% down. So I would much rather buy it now. If I could swap with you, I've got 4,000 shares, $4,000 in my main account, and I've got 1,100 in my other account, and I'm 10 and 11% down. But the dividend's good. It's a slow moving stock. However, it's going to explode in years to come. So I've got no doubt about that. I feel good about it. But yeah, if I could buy it now 10% cheaper, damn right I would. But you certainly can. My average is 74.98. You can buy it for 67. So yeah, I think so. I'm holding it. I'm not going anywhere. I think this is the future. Anyway, very, very quickly, folks, Day Trader of the Day. Let's do it. Let's say thank you to our Rumblers. Thank you, Rumblers. Dr. Lemmel. Dr. Lemmel's there, look. Let's have a look. Dr. Lemmel disagrees with what we just said about Tilray. Part of Tilray being up is because of the new products in Canada. I don't think we can agree with you, Dr. Lemmel, but you're entitled to your opinion, of course, as we all are. But anyway, let's do day trader of the day because we've got our world premiere. Are you ready? Here we go. Make sure that you've clicked the like button. Make sure you're all up to date. And let's do day trader of the day. Let me put my score on the door. Here we go. The score is I'm up 0.32. And I'm not quite beating the market today, but I'm happy. 0.32 percentage points. All right, here we go. We've got 10 minutes to go before the world premiere when the world is invited to join in. All right, when the first person posts, I'll put the score on the door. Ready? I'm up 0.32. Salesforce just reported earnings of 212, beating expectations of 1.88 billion. Beating expectations, very nice. Congratulations, no margin at least. Yeah, no margin. Be very difficult to have margin considering I've got no margin. Up 1.8. Oh, here he is. Here he is Barbie Boy. So I've no idea what we're going to get later on. There's a Barbie video coming out. If you've not checked out Fight Channel, go and check him out. You can click on his channel in the thing, and you can go and see him. All right. Whoops. Here we go. 1 minute. Who's going to win? Nonny again. Up 2.67. Nonny doing very, very well. Let's have a look. Neil's up 0.88. Stephen Lewandowski up 0.76. Jojo S is up 0.9. Very nice indeed. Seems like everyone's beating me again. Everyone's beating me, see? But then when it goes down, you all go down lower than me, see? That's the thing, innit? Right, Nonny, sorry, up 2.67. 20 seconds to go. We've got to go. It's a world premiere. And then right after that, you will get to see who is my star guest on my show. You won't believe it. You won't believe it. All right. Okay. Nonny, let me give you a big round of applause. Thank you for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up. Let's hear the music. All right. Very good. Okay. Very, very nice indeed. So that's it from me. We're going to end the show. Shall I give you the link one more time to the world premiere? It's the least I could do, isn't it? It's the least I could do if I'm expecting you to turn up. Because I am. I mean, I'm literally expecting you to turn up. I mean, right? Oh, look out for the Tilray video. Be interesting to see what Mohammed Khan has to say about it. I'm being nice to Tilray for a change. So that's be interesting to see what he has to say. Anyway, so there we go. Let's roll the credits. Let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. Right, here's the world premiere. Have I given it to you? Yes. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Right, breaking news. Adult plane. It's adult only. It's very sexy. You got to watch it. Got to watch sexy videos, right? So get ready for that. All right. I will see you there in a minute. And yes, join me for that. Up 1.67 MSK. Why were you behind the stream? Congratulations, Mike. Why is Mike getting congratulations? What has Mike done? What has Mike done? What is Mike done? Jojo S up 1.67. Yeah, I'm too late. Will we sing Van Morrison again? Friday night. We'll do Brown Eyed Girl. We'll do Van Morrison on Friday night. I can do it. You can trust me. I'll be there, even if you're not. I didn't do it. I have no idea why you're getting congratulated, Mike. Maybe it's because you've kept Elton John off the show. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. I have no idea. Well, that's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. And Super Chats was Mike. Gave me a wonderful... Oh, that's why he's getting the thanks. He's getting the thanks for the Super Chat. I appreciate that, Mike. Very much indeed. Right. Hang on a minute. I just realised. We can't go yet. No. Can't go yet. Because this ain't started yet, is it? No. 4 minutes to go. That was really bad timing. When Martyn says it's sexy, you know it's not. It is very sexy. It's adult plain. All you need to know is an adult plane. That's all you need to know. All right? And congratulations, Jojo and Jim and Van Morrison. Yeah, look, I cannot believe it. I cannot believe that I am sort of ahead of my game. This is not good. Right? So if I just put the, if I just go high all in there, look. So who have we got? We got Mike and we got Bill. There you go. They're already there, look. They're already there. Okay. Now, last night, what did we have in the? What was it we had in? Like, was it 20? It was very good last night. I was very impressed with you all. I thought, oh yeah, this is going to be a good one. And it stopped after that. No, it just stopped. You know, it went good for a while and then it stopped, which is a bit of a shame. But there you go. 21. I was impressed. It was good, wasn't it, Mike? 21 for a premiere. It's a little theatre. It's a little theatre in Hollywood, that is. That's the way I look at it. Tom Cruise invites his mates round for a world premiere. 21. I bet he gets 20. I got 21. I was quite happy with it. All right, so it starts in 3 minutes. So basically, over the next 3 minutes, we just chat amongst ourselves. All right, we chat amongst ourselves, but don't worry about that. We can do that. And here is the. Here is just to fill out the 2 minutes, right? There's the XRP news you would have missed. There's the Polygon news you might have missed. There's Sensei talking about BT and the ETF you might have missed. There's the Bitcoin pump you might have missed. And here it is. This is tonight's show, and there is the star guest. Be revealed. Be revealed shortly. And it's a real person really phoning in. It's not a joke. It's not a joke, promise. All right. It's a little film theater. It is. It is a little film theater, but you know what? It has the best people. That's the point, Mike. It has the best people. Hang on a minute. What's going on here? Oh, there we go. Yeah, it has the best people, Mike. We don't need a lot of people. 2 minutes. When that starts doing its thing, right, I'm going to start the music. And we're going to play it off again, just like last time. It's going to be a perfect segue, all right, into the live show. Best little film theatre channel on YouTube in the world. I agree, Mike. I agree. Just the other 4 billion people, whatever, haven't found out about it yet, but they will. Don't worry about that, all right? So anyway, my portfolio is looking good. It's all green. It's green everywhere. Oh, and I'm beating the market. All Tesla's going up. We've got a bounce of Tesla now. See, that's why I'm not in Tesla. That's why I'm not in Tilray right now. We've just got Tilray has just bounced up. Sorry, not Tilray. Beg your pardon. Tesla. No, it's not. It's not Tesla. Something else. Something else in my Roth IRA is going up after hours. Let's have a look. Virgin Galactic is going up after hours. So is Palantir. Well, it could be that. Nvidia, Mullen, it's going down again. The S&P is going up. Amazon's going up. Apple. It's not Enphase, I'm afraid. I wish I could say it was, but it's not. McDonald's is holding. Tesco's done very well. Tilray. Yeah. Right. Okay. 60 seconds. Are you excited? Are you excited? You should be excited. If you're not excited, there's something wrong, right? So I'm going to start the music. Starting the music now. So basically, when this music ends, you all go, right? Just don't think about it. Just do what I said, right? Just don't worry about it. All right. Best little film house in is that Texas? Is that what you meant by that? And each other. I'm off. Good luck. Jojo S is going. I ain't waiting for this. How good do you think this is? Jojo S, it's worth it. Are you telling me you're not going to watch it? Are you not going to bother? Right. And each other, he said. Right. That's it from me. At the moment that starts, I'm going to click the end screen and you're all going to disappear down the tunnel. And you're going to go down there and watch it. All right. That's it from me. Now I'm going to work on a Tilray video, and at 5 o'clock, which is in an hour and 45 minutes from now, we have the reveal of who my star guest is going to be on the show. So you want to make sure that you see that, right? You don't want to miss it. Don't want to miss it. All right, we're talking Virgin Galactic's but star guest. All right, that's what we're talking. Okay, that's it from me. You're all waiting, right? You're waiting with anticipation. Can't stop it now. Even if I tried to start it, it wouldn't start. Even if I tried to watch it now, I couldn't stop it. It's like pushing the magic button. Once you pushed it, you pushed it. You can't stop it, right? Here you go. I'm going to end the stream now. Thank you very much for being here. It hasn't started. It's counting down. It hasn't started. Don't confuse me. I know what I'm doing. I'm a professional. Okay? I'm a professional. I know exactly what I'm doing. It hasn't started yet. All right? It's 50 seconds to go. It's going to be perfect timing. You ready? Damn. I missed day trader of the day, Ed Spitzer. You did. We're now going to the world premiere. Here it is in 30 seconds. You're not going to miss it. Don't worry. I'm a professional. There's the link in the chat. Until next time, as always, take care of your money, take care of yourself, take care of everything else and each other. Bye-bye for now. As if by magic,